Are your AviSynth apps crashing due to the DirectShowSource DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start the walkthrough for DirectShowSource, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the DirectShow Source, a specialized DirectShow Source plugin. It manages the unmanaged communication between AviSynth scripts and the Windows DirectShow pipeline. It facilitates the orchestration of video frames from DirectShow-compatible bitstream manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. DirectShow Source belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DirectShow Source file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of DirectShowSource DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes DirectShowSource references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored DirectShowSource functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support